What's going on, y'all? Here's a pipe fence video. January 7th, 2022. This is how we did the creek here. That bottom part right there swivels. I don't know if you can tell right there that it swivels. Just to let the debris come through. And then these braces he says this creek gets full when it floods. He said it gets all the way up to the top of the tin horns right there. So we're using this old oilfield pipe, 2 7/8, having to buff it down, and 60-10 right there. I know it's not that pretty. I'm getting better at it though. Got a lot to do. Welding these clips on is what takes forever. I got a little jig I made. I'm sure everybody's got their way of doing it, but them clips was what takes forever, and buffing the rust off. I should have done the before video and showed you how bad it was. Oh, it was awful. There's the clips. Anyways, take this jig right here. Set it up on your pole. And it just lines them up. Check this one here. I put this on there like that. Hold them babies like that. Tack them on the center. Just eyeball the middle. Tack them all in. And then weld it all out. Got a lot of it. Got 1,000 feet to do here. Got some more work up there by the gate to finish off. I'll show y'all that later, make another video. Here's the welding trailer. It's my junk bucket. Here's my torch box I built. I built this just to get the torch out of the way, and I really like it. And I'm gonna build me one for the leads over there because, to be honest, I hate rolling them leads up like that every day. Got my jack stands in here, just 4 of them, but that's all I really need. Oxygen, acetylene. I got to work on this, mounting these in better. Right now it's just the straps holding them in, the chain's just sitting there. Got a gas can here. I usually keep it half full. This is the old junk box. It's got all my junk in it. My 60-10, gloves, welding hood. Got that bottom of the barrel sticker on it. Y'all check the bottom of the barrel out. Badass Oklahoma band. We got these pipes in the front so we can mount other stuff on there. I can put a headache rack on the top. Got our vise. Got some leads, 100 foot of each. Got a little Ranger 8. It's doing the job for now. Kicking right along. Not very many hours on it. Those are my jigs for the pipes that go at the end, right there beside at the ends. I got a jig for that too. There's my toolbox. Got a chop saw, and grinders up here, tape measures, square, straight edge, clamps over there in those buckets. Kind of junky. It was really cold when I rolled everything up yesterday. Anyways, there we go. Shout out again, Bottom of the Barrel and the Angry Scotsman. Y'all check them out. Peace.